So let's continue from where I stopped. They're saying that in case there are more substituent group in the chain, they are indicated by the prefix di, tri, tetra, etc. For example, you have this C, so we have like this one, CH3, CH3, yeah, CH3, CH3. Maybe this one, I think that is the case, just an example. Yes. So we have like this one, CH3, CH3. You can write this one, for you to confirm how it is, write the open, such a formula for this one. Open this one. How do you open this one? Put C here, touch how many? 1, 2, 3. Then put this C here. Then Palin is just Evo. Evo. This in metal, okay, metal. Then put another this C. Then H. So you tapata that this carbon atom is surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is okay. So they just say that now I have this one. I add it. CH3, CH3 methyl, CH3 another methyl, then this is CH3. Okay. So we are in rule number 3. Rule number 6 say that in any case there's more than 2 substituent group, then use the word di, tri, tetra. For example, now look at this one. This one you can start from here. Rule number 1. The branch ukianza huku 1, 2 kuna branch. Ukianza huku 1, 2 kuna branch. 1, 2 kuna branch. So here you can start any. You can start this from 1, 2, 3, or you can start 1, 2, 3. There's anywhere because the branching close up, go closer, right? Then, now how do I name it? Now this one is methyl. This methyl. Now how do I name this one? First, identify the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. The longest chain is propane. So write the parent name propane. That's the parent name propane. Then branching is carbon number 2. Kianza huku branching carbon number hapa, huku hapa pia hapa carbon number 2. That's where branching is. And then, so how do I name it? So 1 and 2. So 2, comma 2. Begin 2, comma 2. We use commas. They have said use comma to separate number and number, and hyphen to separate number and word. I repeat, use comma to separate number and a number, and use hyphen to separate number and words. So how do I name this one? 2. The first 2 means this branching ya kwanza. The first, we have 2 branches here, E na hapa, 2 methods. So the first 2 is for this. The second 2 is for this. So there are 2. So 1, 2. The carbon number 2. E2 is the manisha carbon number 2. And then another 2 again, that carbon number 2. 2. So there are 2, and then carbon number 2. So 2, 2. Then hyphen to separate the words and the number. 2, 2. Die. They have said that you use the word di, tetra, etc. Why am I using di? Di means 2. I'm using di because we have 2 methyls. The first methyl and the second methyl. First methyl, second methyl. So 2, 2, di. And there's a methyl. You know, you may talk a methyl. 2,2 dimethyl. There are 2. So that's why I use the word dimethyl. Then the name dimethyl propane. 2,2 dimethyl propane. 2 comma. Use comma to separate number and number. Then the number and the words hyphen. Then use di because there are 2. If the 3, try. If you see 3 methods, if there are 4 methods, tetra. So 2 itakuwa 2,2 maybe 2,4, tetramethyl propane. Tetramethyl maybe hexane or whatever. So that's how you do the naming. That rule. Okay. For example, now give this one. What about this? C3 CH3. Look at this. CH3 CH3. Then here there's Br. Now in this case we don't have, it's not methyl but bromine. Br is bromine. I hope you understand this as bromo, iodo, chloro. Your teacher taught you chloro, bromo, iodo. So let's say in this case now the substituent group is bromo. The first rule, identify the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Butane. Okay. Give it numbers according to where the branching is closer. Look at this side. 1, 2 branching is here. Nikianza hook 1, 2 branching is here. So I can start from anywhere, right? Let me start this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can even start from this 1, 2, 3 because branching is closer. Now, it's a butane. Now, 1, 2 nikianga carbon number 2 kuna bromine. So 2 hyphen bromo. Hyphen to separate one and the number 2 bromo, then hyphen 3 hyphen sorry 2 comma 3 s sorry 2. So carbon number, the first one, carbon number 2 is having bromo. Ukienda carbon number 3 kuna bromo. So 2 comma 3 hyphen, and there are two bromines, di bromo, then the parent name butane. Yes, 2 comma 3 di bromo butane. 2, that carbon number 2 has bromine, carbon number 3 has bromine, and there are 2 bromines, di bromo, bromines, bromo, butane. Right. Now, go and look at this one. I'll give you an assignment to do, that 2-chloro-2-methyl butane. Now, what about this one? CH3. This one. So we have CH3, CH3. So we have this one. So here we have chloro. Here we have CH3. So we have a branch here. Here we have a branch of CH3. Hapa tuko na branch ya chlorine. How do we name this one? Identify the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, only 4. You cannot say 1, 2, 3. In chlorine, we are only talking about carbons that you count, not this one, 1, 2, 3. Where is it? Count chlorine. So, how do you name this one? ukianza hapa 1 2 kuna branch, ukianza hapa 1 2 kuna branch ya methyl, hapa kuna branch ya chloro. You can start anywhere. So I can say 1 2 3 4, or even this side 1 2 3 4. Now carbon number 2 kuna chlorine. Carbon number 3 1 2 3, carbon number 3 kuna methyl. Now there's a rule. If any case you have a methyl and halogen, remember chloro, bromo, iodo, those are halogens. In any case you have chlorine, the or bromine or iodine, the halogens with methyl, then what do you start with? Get from your KLB says that when the substituent groups are halogen and alkyl group, when the substituent, these substituents are the branching, those branching, when the substituent group are halogen and alkyl group, the halogen is always placed before alkyl group. Halogen is always placed before the alkyl group. When you have halogen and methyl or even ethyl in a group, halogen is placed before the alkyl group. That rule is there for. Now in this case, how do you name it? So we start with halogen, chlorine in this case. So 1 2. Carbon number 2 kuna chlorine. So 2 then it's chloro. 2 chloro. So let me name it here because the space. So 2 chloro. Then enter carbon number, so 2 1 2. So carbon number 2 kuna chlorine. Carbon number 3 kuna methyl. 2 chloro, then hyphen. Remember hyphen to separate the words and the number. Hyphen 3. So carbon number 3 kuna methyl. 3 hyphen methyl. Then the parent name. What is the longest name? 1 2 3 4. It's a butane. The name is butane. Through methyl butane, because the longest name is butane. 2 chloro, 3 methyl butane. Why about these two? Because chlorine is carbon number 2, chloro. What about this 3? 3 because methyl is carbon number 3 and methyl. It's methyl. Parent name 1 2 3 4. The longest is butane. Butane. Then you get your name. You get your name. Organic chemistry is flowing, right? Not easy. Or is it easy? But if it's easy, then you must pass exams. But I'm telling you, organic chemistry is interesting. It's easy and you can pass highly. Just be attentive. Now, for today, I want to give you an assignment for you to go and name. I'm giving you assignment. Go to your KLB and I want you and give me answers there. You are in your holiday. This is your time of learning. I know some students will not even look at their books. Get your bundles, your parents to give you bundles, go to these ones, compare with their notes, then do these ones and even send to me in YouTube. Go to your KLB, then there's revision questions under alkanes. Do for me all those ones. If you don't know, ask. Like number 3, draw the structural formula of each of the following compounds. I just want to give you one. Now distinguish between thermal cracking and catalytic cracking. Those are there. Just do number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. Number 7. Number 8. Then the other ones we'll do after I've told them. I'll teach some things there. Yes, so do those ones. KLB. Then after that we'll go to the other questions, how we can set them. It's okay. So just to give you just one example. Draw the structural formula of the following compound structure. 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane. 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane. 2, 2, 4 trimethyl pentane. How do you draw this? 2, 2, 4 trimethyl pentane. How many tri means three? There are methyl trimethyl pentane. Pentane meaning pentane meaning 5 carbons. 5 carbons. So you first put 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trimethyl pentane. And in between the carbons are only one covalent bond in between them because it's alkane state. 2, 2, 4 2, 2, 4 trimethyl. Tri means 3. So meaning carbon number 2 kuna methyl 1, 2 kuna methyl. Another carbon number, again the same symbol, carbon number 2 kuna another methyl 2, 2, right? Then enter number 4 1, 2, 3, 4 4 kuna another methyl because there are 3 methyl trimethyl pentane. Then the rest are what? Hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. A carbon but remember how many bonds? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, so this one you only have 2 here. Yeah, that one will help you to know these things. You must know that carbon atom is surrounded by 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So utajua how many bonds, how many hydrogen do you need there? This one 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You only need 1. For this one you need 1, 2, 3. For this one 4. So this is 2, 2 methyls in E, 4 trimethyl pentane. 2, 2, 4 trimethyl pentane. Now do the assignments I've given you for today. Then ask me even questions in this area because I'm going to finish alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Shishini Miwentima Nimeiwenti Shishetatian. And I request you, parents and kids, my students, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get this information. Share and comment. This will help you and you will remember it. This one will help you. It will gives you even urge to read. Go to your teachers, get more information, work in groups, get made familiar, do more papers, and you pass your exams KCSE 2023 because life is different. Tatian, Shishini.